No further. Until everything green is gone. But for some, this baptism of fire brings life. With the ground now clear, the Banksian seed pod, sealed with resin, melts, releasing seeds into a fertile bed of ash. The eucalypt's trunks, protected from the fire, now regenerate with a surge of new growth. With most of their competitors reduced to ash, they can once again ensure their rule. It will take time for the forest to recuperate and restore itself to its former glory. And it's all hands on deck. Emerging from his underground shelter, this echidna slept as the inferno raged above him. Now, the soil is cool enough. He has awoken from his state of torpor to start work as part of the forest regeneration team. As he looks for food, he tills the ground, spreading nutrient-rich ash, burying newly released seeds, and shifting burnt leaves. In the aftermath, he and his fellow spiny anteaters go about their business, helping kickstart the recovery of the forest.